So welcome back everybody to Max Tier 3 Revival. JP again, coming at you. This week I was away, had a business conference I had to go to, and there was absolutely nothing that was done. I did correspond with my favorite person for making some metal components, and he's sending me something for the repair on the rebound stops. Thank you, Frank, and I'm looking forward to getting that package and seeing what I can do to finish up. The other part is cutting the pipes that are going in to reinforce. And I know I've talked about it, but the rear hanger bracket where the spring attaches, I've got to redo that or just reinforce it. So I also pulled the springs out right here, and I'm gonna give them a quick bath and some paint. They look in pretty good shape except for the bushings. Already received them, so that's in my plan. All right, so I'm off camera, but I'll start anyway. I got a package today, a little bit of an unboxing from a friend. I'm gonna flip it over, see if we can't get it opened up. Hope I'm still in frame. Maybe I'll slide over. Very nicely packaged. What do we have? So this is what we have. Bring you over here and give you an idea of what we're looking at. This is a replacement piece for the bumper remount brackets. Being as most of the structure for this is held in here, and there's a gusset across, and there's more strength down here, I think we'll be fine. Not really a whole lot of weight. So I'll grind this back. It won't affect the tube because it's on top. And then this is already pretty much torn away. So as I cut back from here, I'm really just getting rid of the bad metal. That was too thin. And the top of the frame is here anyway, so that'll take me down pretty much to the bottom. I'll have to adjust it a little bit. I think I got a little bowing going on there. Does fit nice and flat back here. So just be a little adjustment. It's the correct width. It's the correct depth. And the spacing looks absolutely perfect. My portion of it will be trying to run a weld down this edge right here up against here, which will take some cleaning to do. And then I'll figure out where I'm gonna cut it here. I may stagger this cut a little bit to make sure that that line's not running straight across. But it should work out perfectly. That's gonna be a weekend job though, because I just got back into town. So here's another bin that I want to go through as well. This is some spare parts. I'm just trying to find out what's usable, put some part numbers to them, and I'm just gonna keep them marked in a box labeled spares. I learned that from Chef Tush because he's really good at recycling parts and reusing what he has in-house versus always buying new. So that is definitely on my list for things to do this week as well.